Umtirang ba jong kajela konrat kesang ma mentakas ngi ulah penteb. Pana kaliang ko sakar jela ka deb anya keren berkosakar India haka bedai berkejing temu jong ka panwan ra ya ka an selonsar ne ka uniform civil code ka anja ha bedai berkesong hasong man ka her pateng pat ki katokot ne ki bedai kita sibir lo. Ha keren kejing le jeng o jeng u jaka Nichols Roy Bible College ha seorang kham umtirang ba uang ba ulayo kejing petikna ne ki menteri pat ki he jong sakar India. Paladak kan ka anki treikam nak kaliang jako skar India kan sa ayak tak kajing penlaj kerpang nak exemption nak mentaki jaka kibedai ke jaka jong riewlum.
I was just sharing, of course, this is not something that I have been given any official communication yet, but I just want to share something with you which I haven't shared in another platform yet because it happened very recently. We have all been discussing about the Universal Civil Code and the fact that there is some kind of a move to bring in a leader from this part of the country, and being a tribal, it's a huge concern for all of us, and I've expressed this in no mixed words to the leaders in the center and other leaders who are important, and even in the press I have come out openly about this issue. And after my statement, of course, there's been a lot of communication with leaders from center, and I've been made to understand that there will be protection, and in fact, to the extent that the tribals and the scheduled tribes, I should say, and the northeast region will not be impacted. Scheduled areas will not be impacted. And while I was listening to Mr. Roy speaking about late JJM Nicholas Roy, I just realized that how the work that was done so many years back, even today, is protecting us and giving us that kind of an identity, which is allowing us to maintain our unique culture, our uniqueness, and is in a way being an umbrella of protection over us in spite of so many challenges we face. Now, while I say that, I'm not here to comment on the UCC, or I'm not trying to say whether it's this or that, or I'm not trying to rake up a political issue out here. All I'm trying to say is that the work that late JJM Nicholas Roy has done for us, I think he also would not have imagined the kind of impact it would have had in the people's lives in the Northeast. And therefore, we owe a lot to this great human being who was a very simple person, as mentioned. We all know about it. I, of course, read about what his life has been in small anecdotes.